Pilipinas. Today I'm going to the gold souk or the gold market. Susubukan din nating makausap one of the owners of the shops just to get an idea if aside from selling gold, selling jewelry, kung bumibili din ba sila ng alahas. Kasi minsan you need an emergency cash and you do not have time to apply for a loan, o di kaya masyadong mataas yung interest ng mga loan sharks. So baka pwedeng makatulong itong video just in case talagang emergency na yung pangangailangan nyo ng cash. So baka makatulong yung gold souk. Let's check it out. So continue watching, and if you like my video, don't forget to subscribe and like and share the video. Tara, yan na tayo. Makikita mo sa daan. Here you can see. This is just isang daan pa lang ito. This is one of the entrances. So napakadami pa dito. Pero hindi ko yata kayanin because it's too hot in here. So I will just like choose some shops for you at least to have an idea and see. Hello again. I'm here at one of the shops in Gold Souk. I'm with Mr. Kader. Mr. Kader, the owner of this shop, and he's actually, the shop is AJL. So I'm going to ask a few things from him, like if you're interested, because most of us Filipinos here in Dubai, we probably know that Dubai has no pawn shops. So for emergency cash, like emergency, you need cash immediately. Instead of like, if you apply for a loan, it will take time, or if you run to a loan shark, the interest could be bigger. So I'm actually trying to tell you that just in case you need an emergency cash, there are some shops in Gold Souk who are buying gold, so you can sell to them your jewelry. So Mr. Kader will actually help me explain, because there are documents. Unlike in the Philippines, we have pawn shops and we can just go anytime to the pawn shop and pawn our jewelry without any documents. That's why even those stolen jewelries, you cannot recover anymore, because once it's given to the pawn shop, it's gone. It's good as bye-bye, thank you. But in Dubai, there is a very strict law. You cannot just easily sell your jewelry. Okay? So we will ask Mr. Kader now, what requirements do you need in order for you to sell your personal jewelry? Okay, Mr. Kader?
Yeah, if you want selling, I want your Emirates ID.
Okay, number one is Emirates ID.
And you buy, before you buying is a gold, it's an invoice.
Okay, you need to show him the receipt.
Receipt.
So one reminder here, every time you buy jewelry in Dubai, please do not throw away your receipt. Keep it with you for emergency purposes.
Very important is a receipt. Very important is a receipt.
Yeah. So Mr. Kader is saying it's very important. The receipt is important.
Receipt and your Emirates ID.
And
this one.
Yeah. Why do you need this, Mr. Kader? Like
this one is a rules. I want is a check it is a gold. You bring it is a gold is for you.
Okay.
I want to check it is your Emirates ID, your name, and the same name also invoice.
Okay.
This one.
Okay.
Yeah.
So the name on the name of on the receipt should be the same as the name on your Emirates ID,
yeah.
to prove that you are the real owner of the jewelry.
Yeah, this one is I want is a
and who is implementing this? Who is checking? Like
this checking is government department is a checking.
Okay, Mr. Kader, he was telling me that the reason why this is these are the documents you need to show him, because it's actually Dubai rule. It's being checked by the CID. CID is the Criminal Investigation Department of Dubai, right, Mr. Kader? Yeah? Okay. Now, Mr. Kader, how much do you buy? Like, for example, for 18 karat gold, the gold 18 karat gold rate now is something like 133 per gram. Yeah.
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 So this depend of the rate is maybe today's rate is different. Morning is rate is different. Okay, evening, tomorrow, all day, daily changing is a price.
But it's definitely like how many % lower than the rate are you buying?
I'm buying this market current rate is wholesale rate 4 dirham.
But it's when they sell their gold, the making charge is not counted anymore.
No, only
it's
gold
lost.
price. Only gold price. I take it is only gold price only.
Okay. So
and minus is 3 dirhams only.
Okay.
Sometimes it's 3 dirham, 4 dirhams. So
because actually in the news today, some more people are actually selling their gold, especially those who were able to buy it years ago when the gold rate was low.
Yeah.
Yeah. So now the gold rate actually is very high, so they're selling gold now.
Selling, yeah.
Yeah.
The gold price is going high. Everybody is coming with the selling.
Yes. Because here when you buy gold,
now is a good chance. Is a gold price is a very high.
Yes, it's a good time for selling your jewelry.
Yeah.
Because in Dubai, when you buy gold, like for example, the rate is 110 per gram. You have to add 30 or 40 dirhams for the making charge. Now when you sell the jewelry, the same jewelry, you will sell it to the gold shop. The making charge is not counted anymore. So they are only basing it on the gold rate. So I hope it's clear now. So thank you, Mr. Kader. Thank you for your time.
Welcome.
And mga kabayan, kung meron kayong problema sa pera at kailangan nyo ng pera agad-agad, you can just visit AJL, meet Mr. Kader, and maybe he can help you. Salamat. Thank you. Shukran.
Thank you.
So guys, I hope this video will help us answer the question if we can sell our personal jewelry in Dubai. I also would like to thank Mr. Abdul Kader of AJL for sharing with us how we can sell our jewelry in Dubai Gold Silk. Thank you everyone, and please don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe if you're still not a subscriber of my channel. Maraming salamat po. Thank you and bye.